Welcome to this Nurtured by Nature video located in the White Clay watershed here in southeastern Pennsylvania and Delaware. White Clay is a special, federally designated wild and scenic river, and the water in this river ultimately flows to the Atlantic Ocean. What is a watershed? It's all the area of land that drains into a body of water, and we all live in a watershed. They are places where special waterways such as this one exist, offering a perfect environment to move and get the energy flowing while relaxing and reconnecting with your true nature. So let's jump right in and take a pause on the planet. Find a good spot. We're going to stand and just start swinging our arms side to side, just lightly pounding on our back, waking up our kidneys and that energy there. Just listen to the creek, taking some good deep breaths in and out, and smile. It's a good day. Now relaxing your arms, we're going to start hopping up and down with this movement called shaking the tree. So you're going to let those limbs loose, just let them dangle on each side of your body. Just hop, hop, hop. And you can do this lightly, you can do it high, you can do it low. Then we're going to bring our arms up to the sky, clasp our hands together, and just stretch on one side of the body. Then rotate to the other side and stretch again. Now leave one hand up in the air, and with your fist, knock gently in that arm and along the side of your rib cage. And you can do this lightly or a little bit hard, whatever feels good, and just go up and down. And this movement is really good to release anxiety, depression, and any feelings weighing us down. Then repeat on the other side. So lift up that arm, knock, knock, knock with your fists up and down the side of that rib cage, and feel a stretch in that side of the body. You're doing great. Next, we're going to make fists and swing our arms up. And then open our palms down. So up and down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Fists up. And palms down. Fists up. Palms down. We're getting the energy moving in our body. Getting that blood flow going. Our circulation. Just let those arms go. See how you're feeling in your body. Rest with your palms on your abdomen and breathe. Now it's monkey time. Make some fists. Start to pound lightly on your chest. And then wipe down the front of your body, down to your stomach. Back up. Pound a little harder. And down the front of your body. So breathe in, pound, 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 pound. Breathe out, wipe down the front of your body. Breathe in, a little bit harder. And wipe down the front of your body again. Good. Now rest your palms again on your lower abdomen. Smile at nature all around us and within us. And pause with your beautiful self. Notice how you're feeling. And just follow your breath in this present moment. Listen and connect with the sounds of White Clay Creek. Feel the peace within you, your true nature. Now give yourself a big hug. Thank you for being you. And let's take a minute to give gratitude to this beautiful planet, the Earth. So thank you for watching, taking care of yourself, and be sure to check out our other videos where we take a pause on the planet.